In this video, I've got another easy, delicious, and nutritious venison recipe coming your way: barbecued buck sandwiches. If you like pulled pork or barbecued beef style sandwiches, then you'll love this recipe. And even though I refer to it as barbecued buck, you can, of course, make this recipe from the meat of either a buck or a doe, and from any deer species or wild game animal, including moose, elk, caribou, wild boar, black bear, and other commonly eaten wild critters. But for now, let's get cooking. And there you have it, my friends, a delicious barbecued buck sandwich. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com.